Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Tasia Unlimited. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on these really cute fake nails by Kiss. This is a part of their Jelly Fantasy collection. Really cute and really easy to do. So if you guys want to see how I did it, then stay tuned. Of course, as everyone knows now, all the nail shops are closed, so I just thought that this would be a really quick and cute way to get that nail look by just staying in home. So I'm going to be following directions of the Kiss, and yeah, let's get started. So these did come with directions. There are 28 nails in here, and so just opening it up, and the length is long as well. I really love the fake nails that are long, just because for me I feel like they last longer, and I don't know why that is, but I can always keep the longer fake nails on for much longer. They just don't seem to pop off like the short ones. Now I don't know why that is, but that's just for me. Maybe that's just because of like my everyday, like what I do, I don't know. But all right, so it comes with nail glue. And then these are just for show, but the other nails are behind this little white paper here. And so it does come with the tab, so you can choose. You can either glue the nails down or use the tab adhesives. And I'm going to use the tab adhesives. For me, it just stays on a lot longer than the glue. Again, I don't know. It's probably something that I'm doing on my end. I'm not a nail tech or anything like that, so I don't know, but definitely for me the glue adhesive lasts a lot longer. Also in the back you can see it comes with a nail cleaner and a cuticle pusher, as well as a little emery board there, and then these are the other nails. So looking at the directions on the back, the first thing that you want to do, and I'm going to be doing the adhesive tab, so these things, guys. Alright, so it says prep, so clean nails with polish remover and wash hands thoroughly with soap. Select correct nail size for each finger. So that's what I'm going to do. So I do have some clear polish on my nails, so I'm going to take that off. You want to make sure that there's nothing on your nails that will really hurt in terms of like trying to put, not like pain hurt, but it's gonna be a struggle. If you have something on your nails already and you're trying to put these on, it's just not gonna, like the tab or the glue is just not gonna adhere to it very well. So you want to make sure that your nails are clean, also that there's nothing on it, also like no oils or anything like that. So I have my handy dandy nail polish remover, Equate brand from Walmart. You already know what it is. And so I'm going to go ahead and remove this clear nail polish from my nails. I'm going to be shaping my nails up just a little bit, so that way when I put the nail over it and the nail starts to grow a little bit, you won't see my natural nails like popping out from the side. So let me show you guys how long that one is, right? So that it won't be like popping out from the side. So I did have my little emery board on my own, but I actually want to use the one that they give, just because I want to try to use, you know, for the most part, the things that they give us. All right, so finally got this out. So what I'm going to be doing, looks like this side is a little bit rougher. So I'm just going to start shaping the nails, and I'm actually just going to be doing it at a diagonal on both sides of the nails. So the pinky, that one doesn't really have any nails, but this one is pretty kind of long, so just gonna shape it a little bit. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my alcohol wipe, and just one more time, just go over the nails again, just to make sure that they are clean. There was a little bit of like dust and debris from when I filed the nail, so I want to get that off the nail as well as much as possible, and then just dry the nails. So I'm going to be pushing back the cuticles using the little tool that they gave. You're going to use this side of it, the little like slanted. You're just going to gently push the skin back. right there at the bottom. Oops, so you guys can see right there. One thing that I like to do is I actually like to take the little nail file, and then just on each nail, I'm gonna be just filing it in the opposite way that the natural nail grows. So the natural nail grows vertically. I'm gonna be filing it horizontally. So just a couple, you don't have to do a whole lot, but this will help with having the adhesive. So whatever you're going to use, a little tape or the glue, this will help it to stick on a little bit better. So what you want to do is find the nail size. So you definitely, this is really important, you don't want to get a false nail that's too big or too small. You actually want it to fit on and actually sit on top of your nail just right. So for example, this is one for my pinky that is too small. Alright, so you can kind of see from the side, right? There's my actual like nail bed and the cuticle, and there's the end of the nail. So you can see that it doesn't fit, versus one that does fit will just lay flat. So I'm actually gonna size all the nails first before just like putting them on one by one. You're pretty much just gonna have to choose the size for each nail, and then once you choose the size for each nail, there will be a tab that coincides with each nail number. Okay, so but of course if you're using a glue, you don't need to do any of that. Once you choose the nail, you just glue the nail down. So I showed you guys how you can tell if the nail is too small, but how you can tell if it's too big, you actually just want to take it and then put it on the nail bed, and then if it actually goes over the nail bed, like onto your skin, then you know that it's too big. So it should more so look like this, where on both sides, right, it fits onto the nail bed. So now that we have all of the sizes, I'm gonna put the extras away. Now that we've done that, we're actually gonna be going in with the adhesive. And so this is what it looks like outside of the package. You actually have 2 sets. Let me see if I have something. Okay, you guys can see that. And so it does come with this little guide for you, like the sizes. So if you're not sure, you could just lay it like one on top of the other, and then that will help you to get the sizes. So what you want to do is, I'm going to be starting on my left hand, but the directions say apply adhesive tab to natural nail, press and smooth, peel off film. So it's pretty much like double-sided tape. The one side will be sticky, both sides will be sticky, but one you'll be able to feel it, the other one has a little film over it. And once you apply the one side to your natural nail, you just peel off the film, and that way it'll be sticky on both sides, and you just place a nail on top. So I'm starting with my pinky first. I'm gonna place that on there. And try to place it right on the middle, and then once you do that, just press it down on the sides. Now, just like with your nail, it shouldn't be going, the adhesive shouldn't be on your skin. It should only be on the natural nail. If it's on the skin, then either you placed it wrong, or that adhesive is too big for your nail. All right, so this is what it will look like. Alright, so once you have it on there, you're gonna carefully pull off the film like that, and then you're just gonna put your nail on top and just press it down, and you can hold it for about 30 seconds or so. Also making sure to, when you press down, also roll it a little bit to make sure that the sides are being glued down as well. Alright, you guys, and there you have it. The very first nail is put on. So I will just continue this for all of the nails. Also, a pro tip, you guys, once you put the nails on, whether you're using glue or the adhesive tabs, you do want to avoid water for anywhere from like 30 minutes to an hour, just to make sure that it does like completely dry and it does stick. Okay, you don't want to be putting any like water on your hands, so just keep that in mind. If you thought you was gonna put these nails on and then just wanted to eat or like hop in the shower right after, I definitely don't recommend that. That was something that was happening to me. Like I would like put the fake nails on, and then like 15 minutes into it, I would like hop in the shower or something like that, and then the nail would just be coming off, and I'm like, hold up, wait a minute. This is what the first set looks like, and they had like a little statement one that's actually all pink. So this is what they look like. It's like hard to see on the white on white, but yeah, there we go. The difference between the two. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I like the way that they came out. I like the length, of course, and I really like the style. I also like that it did come with some of these, like, the statement ones, so they don't all look the same. But yeah, Kiss is a really great brand, you guys. They have so many different like styles and everything like that. I also wanted to show you guys these. So this is the other one that I got because they were buy one get one half off from Walgreens. But yeah, this was the other set that I got too. Really cute. They're also like translucent with some gold and some jewels. And then the kind of standout ones are just these plain white ones. But yeah, really cute. Can't wait to wear these. It does say like wear them like for up to 7 days. But sometimes mine lasts like a lot longer. Like I would say like 14 days. But yeah, this is what they look like. So you guys, thank you so much for checking out my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.